Robbery is one of the most common crimes in Texas. From incidents of stolen cars to threatening a gas station employee with a knife for money are the most common examples of robbery. Others are unlimited. Keep in mind that robbery can lead to harsh consequences for the offender. Hi, my name is Haley Knighton, and I'm one of the attorneys here at the law office of Brian Fagan. In today's video, we will discuss the different types of robbery, their penalties, limitations, and their criminal procedure in Texas. Robbery is defined as taking someone's property with the intention of keeping it while causing bodily harm or fear to the victim. Aggravated robbery in Texas is a more severe form of robbery. It is defined as committing robbery using a deadly weapon or causing serious bodily injury to the victim. The Penal Code Section 29.03 of Texas elevates the charge of robbery to aggravated assault if the victim is a disabled person or at least 65 years old. Examples of aggravated robbery include pushing an elderly woman and causing serious injuries, such as a broken ankle or hip, while stealing her purse. Robbery is considered a second-degree felony in Texas. If found guilty, the defendant could face 2 to 20 years in prison and fines up to $10,000. On the other hand, aggravated robbery is more severe and is classified as a first-degree felony. If convicted, the defendant could face 5 to 99 years in prison and fines up to $10,000. However, several factors can reduce the sentencing, such as the offender's criminal record and the severity of the offense. The judge can also reduce sentencing based on the motive of the crime. For example, stealing groceries or medicine for your family or a sick loved one is unjustifiable. Still, depending on the judge, they may have sympathy and lower your sentencing. Apart from imprisonment and fines, the defendant may also receive the restitution penalty. Restitution is a court order requiring the defendant to pay the victim for any losses resulting from the crime committed. It is separate from fines, court costs, and attorney's fees. It is intended to help the victim return to normal life before the crime. Restitution can be applied when the crime causes damage or loss of property. It can be applied to the personal injuries the other party received, such as medical bills, missed earnings, co-pays, and deductibles. If the defendant is unable to pay, the victim can seek a restitution lien against the defendant's properties to secure payment. The most helpful defense strategy is presenting an alibi. If you have a witness who can confirm your whereabouts during the robbery, it can help establish your innocence. Your attorney will use your alibi to challenge the prosecution's evidence, such as eyewitness statements and video recordings. Mistaken identity is another common defense. Most robbers conceal their faces with masks or clothing. This can make identifying the defendant difficult and obscure, and the injured party might be unable to remember everything clearly. You may claim duress as a defense if you were forced or coerced into committing the robbery. However, it is best to seek advice from your attorney to see if this defense applies to your case. If no bodily injury occurred to the victim during the crime, the charges can be reduced from robbery to theft, resulting in less severe consequences. The criminal procedure for robbery consists of several steps. The court's criminal procedures begin with a criminal complaint. A prosecutor then reviews the charges and may issue a warrant for your arrest. The judge reviews the charges at your court appearance and hears your plea. Then you could be fined, or your case would continue later. During the waiting period, hiring a defense attorney is important to ensure your rights are protected. Robbery is a serious crime that can have severe consequences in Texas. If you find yourself or someone you know facing these charges, do not hesitate to call us today at 281-810-9760. Our experienced criminal law attorneys will guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Texas criminal law.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.